Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to measure our internet download and upload speeds, check latency, and visualize the results using testmy.net. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to testmy.net. To check your download speed, select the test size. Like I have selected and click the test box, this will calculate the speed for you. Now do the same for the upload speed as well. Once the test is complete, you'll see speed graph appear under the name My Results like here. You can also get detailed results including your download and upload speeds, latency, and more. You can also change the range from here to check the speed of previous 15 days as well. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay connected, and until next time, happy browsing.